Dear students, this is the second video of chapter number 2, Socialism in Europe. And in the first video, we discussed that how the different groups responded to the social change in Europe. Now, in this video, we'll discuss the subtopic, that is industrial society and social change. So far we discussed that after the 1815 new conservatives order came into Europe, in different parts of Europe, and after that different groups, they responded in a different way to get new social changes or to bring social changes in the society. Here we'll discuss mainly about industrial society or the industrial revolution that took place in Europe, and that changed the entire profile of the European society. So we need to understand from the economic point of view. Before that, we tried to understand the social change from the political point of view, that how the different groups, those who are present like liberals, democrats, radicals, conservatives, they responded to the social change. What was their opinion regarding the social change? And how the social change that was already going on in Europe, it affected the different groups of Europe. Now, in this video, we'll discuss mainly about the industrial society or the industrialization or the industrial revolution. You must understand one fact, that if industrialization will start in any country, it will definitely change the face of the society. In the Europe also, when the industrialization started, most of the people started migrating from village towards cities in order to get the job. But still, problem was there. Unemployment rate was very high. There was a complete mismatch in demand and supply of job. Women, men, children, all were aspiring for jobs in industries, and industries were also in a position to give the jobs, but the jobs were really limited in nature. So when the different people approached the industrial sector, the lifestyle also changed. Why? Because of industrialization, urbanization started. So industrialization led to urbanization, and because of the urbanization, the lifestyle of the people changed. Now they started demanding different services in their own atmosphere, in their own environment. So their lifestyle got under transformation, and this brought the social change or the change in the society. The mindset of the ordinary people changed, the lifestyle of the ordinary people changed, the culture of the ordinary people changed under the influence of industrial revolution or industrialization. So basically, the society that emerged after the industrialization in Europe, it was termed as the industrial society, and ultimately it demanded for change in society. We need to understand one point here, that when conservative order was there in Europe, many factories were already working, and the workers, those who were working there, they were demanding their rights. And you'll be surprised to know that many liberals and radicals were the factory owners. But as the name is there, liberals and radicals, some of them were ready to accept the demands of workers. They easily understood that without the wealth, without the healthy workers, we cannot grow our industry. So they put more emphasis on the growth of workers. So this is how workers got also importance in the industrial society in Europe. And over some time, they joined hands with the liberals and radicals. Now they were encircling around the radicals and liberals for getting their more benefits, for getting their rights. So this is how the industrial society changed the entire pattern there. Now, here I would like to add one more thing, that industrial revolution started. It is true. But industrial revolution demanded for more and efficient workers. And workers were available at that time. And here we are discussing in the chapter Socialism in Europe, so you have to understand the industrialization will revolve around capitalism, whereas we are discussing the chapter Socialism. So how this topic is going to fit in this, you have to understand. So my point is very clear that industrial society got developed in the Europe, and workers were not given importance initially, but over some time by the liberals and by the other groups, workers started getting importance, and it was understood that the industries cannot grow without the help of workers. So this is how the workers were given some rights, and the idea of socialism was also implemented somehow in industrial sector also. Well, that was under the pocket, or that was under the command of factory owners. Now this profit was distributed to the workers also. So this is how workers also got benefit. Workers also got benefited. No, and because of that, the lifestyle changed. Because of that, their culture changed, and finally, we can easily tell the social transformation took place in Europe. So it all happened because of the industrialization that was going on in Europe. Now try to connect it with the French Revolution or into the period of Louis XVI. So during that time, industrialization was going on or not? No, it was not going on because everything was going on under the command of Louis XVI. But later on, when industrial sector developed, they demanded something that was different from the conservative regime. And this is how the society got under transformation. So this is all about this topic. Thank you so much.